You could please say your names.
My name is Claudia Rodriguez.
And I'm Chris Rodriguez.
And I wanted you all to share something about Boyle Heights. Any experiences or memorable stories or places that you've been to here?
I do an acting class called Casa 101. It's on City Chavez. It's a really good acting class. The classes are free, and it's really good because you get to learn how it is when recording things, learning good tips on how it'll be like when you get more into the acting community, and I really admire Casa 101.
And for us, well, we didn't grow up in Boyle Heights, but my grandma from my mom's side, they lived in this area, kind of in different like apartments when they first came in the late '60s, from Highland Park, Boyle Heights, and El Sereno. So I have some roots in that way here, and like Claudia said, Casa 0101 is really one of I think a critical cultural space for the community, and so it's nice to be able to come back in that way, and for my daughter to be able to participate there, and just kind of the surrounding activities that take place in the city. It's just I think that's pretty much my connection here, and just overall it's important to us to support these spaces and events that are happening today, because they strengthen community ties, and when we talk about gentrification, well, that's really important. So to kind of fight off gentrification with community strength. So, thank you.
When you think of Boyle Heights, what sounds do you think of?
Boyle Heights, I think that's a good question. Yes, the iconic mariachis, of course, but I just think of
I think of vibey music.
Fighting music?
Vibey.
Oh, vibey music.
Vibe.
Yeah, vibe. I would say it's a cultural hub for resistance music, community music. That's what I think of, not necessarily a particular genre, because I know that different artists have come out of Boyle Heights that have done a really awesome job of kind of breaking through genres. So it's different genres, but I think it all has a root in movement music, and music that celebrates our history. That's the sound that I think of, is community organizing through the music.
Is there anything else that you'd like to share about?
No, I think that's all I can really say for now. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.